New NotebookLM plus Gemini update is insane. Google just dropped the biggest NotebookLM and Gemini update of the year, and it changes everything about how you use AI to run your business. We're talking cinematic AI videos from your notes. Your notebooks now synced across two powerful tools, and features that used to cost a full production team, now done in seconds. This is not a small update. This is a whole new way to work. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use all of this to save time and grow faster. Now, let's get into it. So first, let me set the scene. NotebookLM has been one of the most underrated AI tools out there. You upload your documents, your PDFs, your notes, and it becomes your personal research assistant that only uses your sources. No hallucinations, no made-up stuff, just clean, accurate answers from your own content. But Google just took it way further. 3 massive updates just dropped, and they all work together. So let me break them down one by one. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's out there helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to give you the latest AI updates that actually matter. And Julian reads every single comment. So drop yours below and let him know what you think. This is the one that changes your workflow. Google just introduced notebooks inside the Gemini app, and here's what that means. Before this, NotebookLM and Gemini were 2 separate tools. You do your research in NotebookLM, then have to manually bring that context into Gemini. It was annoying, it slowed you down. Now they're connected. Any source you add in NotebookLM automatically shows up in Gemini. Any notebook you build in Gemini syncs straight to NotebookLM. You add something once, it appears everywhere. There's a brand new notebook section in the Gemini sidebar. Every chat now has an option to save it to a notebook. You can add files, websites, Drive documents, copied text, all in one place. And Gemini uses all of that context to give you way sharper, more relevant answers. And by the way, if you want to learn how to use AI tools like NotebookLM to automate your business and save hundreds of hours, the AI Profit Boardroom is the place to be. It's the best community for business owners who want to use AI to scale without working more. Link is in the comments and description. Think of it like this. You've got your AI Profit Boardroom content library, your community SOPs, your onboarding docs, your member resources. You drop all of that into a notebook. Now, every time you open Gemini, it already knows your business. You don't have to re-explain anything. You don't have to paste context into every prompt. It's just there. That alone is a massive time saver. And you can even set custom instructions. So Gemini knows the tone you want, the way you communicate, what to focus on. You set it once. It works every time. This is rolling out now for Google AI Ultra, Pro, and Plus subscribers on the web. Free users are getting it in the coming weeks. Now, here's where things get really interesting, and this is the open loop I want you to hold in your head until we get there. What if you could take all your research, all your notes, all your content, and turn it into a full cinematic video? Not a slideshow, not bullet points with voiceover, a real video, with animations, with motion, with narration. That's what just dropped, and we'll get there in a minute. But first, update 2. Google pushed back-end improvements to how NotebookLM processes and understands your content. Here's the big one. NotebookLM now uses the full 1 million token context window of Gemini across all plans. That means it can analyze way more content at once. Massive document collections, long research projects, hundreds of pages, all processed together.